Welcome back, SUI traders. We missed SUI so much in this channel, sir. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, click the bell if you love SUI. We're gonna cover SUI now because we have a position. Yes, finally, we have a position in SUI. SUI, we believe, is just like trading Solana last cycle. In the latest part of the cycle of last cycle, trading Solana, like trading AVAX, like trading even Luna, okay? SUI is the same kind of beast, in my opinion. Is a market leader. If you don't have SUI, if you don't watch SUI and you trade crypto and you watch other rubbish, man, you're a baby boy and you're amateur. You're a pretty amateur baby. I will show you why SUI is the best, one of the best names out there. And from the top dogs, it is a coin that you must follow. All right, dive into the video. Okay, so look, make sure to cook the like, sir, cook the like. Okay, look, this is the moving averages. Okay, show you the moving averages now. Okay, our moving averages for this chart on the daily chart. Okay, so we had a breakout above the 200 AMA. Okay, all other rubbish coins, most of them are below the 200 AMA. Below their 200 AMA. Some of them are more. A lot of them are actually below their 50 days. Man, SUI bounced back and reclaimed the 200 AMA. You can see it pulled back into it for a few days. You had a consolidation, kind of like reaccumulation, you can call it. The big whales of SUI, the investors, the big kahuna of the SUI market were loading up here on the 200 AMA. Look at the pump. Boom. Dildo candle, man, this is bullish. Okay, first of all, you had the melt up from the lows. Okay, that was one of the market leaders. You had a few names that were leading the market. If you don't know what I'm talking about, man, subscribe to the channel. Stop being an amateur, man, because you don't want to be a loser. You don't want to miss out on the biggest bangers of the crypto mindset. So subscribe to this crypto market. Subscribe to this channel, man. Now you can see retested 200 AMA. That's advanced behavior. Okay, retested 200 AMA with a bull flag. Okay, bull flag here on SUI daily chart. Bull flag, bounce, retest, breakout. Well, now we need a higher high. We need to take the $4. We need to close above the $4. And it's gonna melt up. It's gonna melt up. It's gonna continue, man. It's going to continue. Probably again. You have many places of resistance. Okay, still we have a lot of sellers. People that were aping here at the highs, and they are maybe eager to sell. Like baby boys that been listening to rubbish channels. Anyway, this thing probably going to go, after it cleared the $4. The $4 is a major resistance. You can see this is the $4 resistance, $4.2 to $4. You clear the $4. Let me clean the chart. You clear the $4 area. Okay, we're talking about all this box of resistance, man. You start closing above it. Okay, you start closing above it. You hold above it as support, man. SUI will start a new bull market. Yes, my friend. That's what the chart are saying. You like it, you don't like it. We don't give an F. We just tell you what the chart are saying. Okay, so SUI, put it red hot on the radar, man. If you missed that entry, you're a baby boy. We bought it here on the breakout here, looking to print some money on SUI. And again, look, you might have some choppy. It might be choppy. It might be, take its time. It might chop. But SUI, man, one of the best performers for cryptocurrencies for this cycle. Okay, we've been nailing it. We've been swing trading it from September 2024. We print money on SUI, but now look at this pump here. This pump here is the most bullish pump on SUI, man. You can see the bam, melt up. Okay, melt up. That's what we want. Okay, this is one of these coins that you want to have, in your portfolio. Okay, we're not saying be a whole investor. We say trade them, trade the pumps, take your profits, or move on or leave a runner. All right, always take your profit. That's the idea of crypto. But you want to put SUI red hot on the radar. Now we actually have a very bullish behavior here. You can see here, kinda. You can call it I'll call it a cup and handle. Okay, you can see the cup. That's your cup. That's your little handle here. And we're now breaking. So the measured move, SUI, sir. Yes, SUI. We're talking about, that was the low around 1.7. The point here is around 3.8. Let's round it to 3.7. So add another $2 on the breakout. Okay, so from 3.9, add $2, we're gonna go to 5.9. That's your measured move on SUI. Again, of this cup and handle. 5.9. That's your measured move on SUI. Again, measured move. Again, we believe Bitcoin broke to new bull run now. We believe Bitcoin will go to new highs, and we believe SUI will follow. If there is a coin from the top 20 that will follow Bitcoin with aggressiveness, it is SUI. Yes, yes, my friend. That's what we believe. Click the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, get yourself a Bitunix account, link below, my friend. You get $200 bonus on a 1,000 USDT. You have a tutorial on how to trade their futures, one of the best futures exchanges I've seen in my life as a crypto trader in the last 7 years, man. If you trade from the US, you don't need a VPN and you don't need to do KYC. That's outrageous. That's like, man, that's like, what? No KYC, no VPN, man. Get yourself an account, sir, and make sure you join our community, man. Money season is here. We are effing back, my friend. The printer is on. I'll show you a trade we took in the community virtual. I still have members that have been holding the bag since. This is the trade. I'll zoom in here. Around 10 days ago, we bought the break above 85. Look at virtual. Look at Mr. Virtual, my friend. Where is it? Where is the virtual chart? There it is. I'll show you the breakout. That's what's actually our breakout. Ooh, new. Just got listed on Binance Spot. Whew, another reason why you want to put virtual on your radar, man. A banger of the banger. Again, we trade only the bangers, sir. Only the bangers. That was our entry, 85. Okay, we bought the break above 85. The community, boom. Max gain 120%. My friends, my members, holding position, and we bought the dip today. Yes, we bought the dip today, and we're gonna buy more. Virtual is a daddy. Sure, sir. Join our community. Do yourself a favor. Stop losing money. Stop holding garbage coins that are not pumping. Stop with this nonsense. You came to crypto to make money. For God's sake, if you're not making money, if you've been in this space for 1 year, 2 years, and you're not making money now, or you are still down from the highs, from January, you're still down on your portfolio, man, you're doing something extremely wrong. You're an amateur. You are a loser. And face it, the faster you face it, that you are a loser, the faster you're gonna become a winner, my friend. Yes. Just say to yourself, okay, I've been losing money. Time to change strategy. Time to find a strategy. Time to have a risk management. Time to follow people that have been doing it for 7 years to trade in the market. Time to follow winners, man. Join our community. See you in the next video. Cheers.